Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my super easy and refreshing mango habanero ceviche. So if you want to learn how I make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so here I have 2 pounds of raw shrimp. I already cleaned it, cut it into small little pieces. We're going to season with half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and salt. To that, we're also going to add 1 chile habanero, chopped into small pieces, and some chopped purple onion. Okay, so now we're just going to cover it with the juice of fresh limes and lemons. I'm using 4 of each. Just going to mix it. Make sure that the shrimp gets coated with the lime juice. Now we're just going to cover it. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or until it begins to change color. Okay guys, so after 1 hour, my shrimp has changed color. So now we can get ready to make our sauce. I'm going to be reserving some of the juice. Add it to my blender cup. To that, I'm also going to be adding 1 mango. 3/4 of a cup of mango juice, a few drops of Maggi, chile tepin, and this is just going to depend on how spicy you want your ceviche. I'm going to be adding 1 roasted habanero, 2 roasted garlic cloves, and now just blend it all into smooth. Okay, so once we have that, we can transfer it to our ceviche. Okay, here we're going to be adding 3 Roma tomatoes, the rest of our purple onion. I'm also adding 1 jalapeno, half a cup of chopped cilantro, 1 mango, and 1 cucumber. Now we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, and just like that, we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys, unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to do the taste test with you guys, but here I have my beautiful daughter that she's going to taste it with you. I already know that it's honestly super delicious. I tried it, 2 years ago when I shared it the first time, and it's absolutely the best. So refreshing. The mango, the habanero, perfect combination with all of these delicious flavors. But you ready?
Yeah.
I am ready. So cheers and enjoy. How is it? Spicy?
A little bit.
It's spicy, but of course you can always adjust that, skip on the chile tepin and just stick to the habanero. But for me, this is honestly super delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make my super easy and refreshing mango habanero ceviche. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.